Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the physiology of blood of WBC and platelets. WBC is also known as leukocytes, are colorless nucleated formed elements of the blood, which are larger in size and lesser in number than RBCs. WBCs play an important role in the defense mechanism. Classification of WBCs, depending upon the presence or absence of granules, is divided into granulocytes and agranulocytes. In granulocytes, it includes neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. In agranulocytes, it includes monocytes and lymphocytes. Morphology of WBC: neutrophils, polymorphonuclear neutrophils, which is nucleus is multilobed of 1 to 6 lobes per cell. Granules are fine or small in size and stained with Leishman stain. Granules take both stains equally and appear violet. Diameter of the cell is 10 to 12 microns. Eosinophils are larger granules in cytoplasm, stained pink or red with eosine. Nucleus is bilobed, rarely trilobed. Diameter of the cell is 10 to 14 microns. Basophils show coarse granules in the cytoplasm and stained purple blue with methylene blue. Nucleus is bilobed and diameter of the cell is 8 to 10 microns. Monocytes are the largest WBCs of diameter 14 to 18 microns. Nucleus is a round oval horseshoe bean or kidney shape, which is pushed to one side with a clear cytoplasm. Lymphocytes. Nucleus occupies whole of the cell with a rim of clear cytoplasm. Types of lymphocytes depending upon the size. Large lymphocytes are younger cells with diameter of 10 to 12 microns, and smaller lymphocytes which are older cells with diameter of 7 to 10 microns. Depending upon function, it is divided into T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. T lymphocytes predominantly involve the cellular immunity, and B lymphocytes involve in the humoral immunity. Normal values of lymphocytes: total blood count is about 4,000 to 11,000 per cubic mm of blood, and for in differential blood count, neutrophil is 50 to 70%, which is about 3,000 to 6,000 absolute value per cubic mm, and eosinophil is of 2 to 4% and is of 150 to 450 absolute value per cubic mm. Basophil is of 0 to 1%, 0 to 100 absolute value per cubic mm. Monocyte is of 2 to 6% and 200 to 600 absolute value per cubic mm. Lymphocyte is of 20 to 30% and 1,500 to 2,700 absolute value per cubic mm. Variations: increase in WBC count is leukocytosis. Decrease in WBC count is leukopenia. Physiological variations are seen in age variation, sex determination, and diurnal variation, exercise, pregnancy, menstruation, parturition, and sleep. Pathological variations are leukocytosis, leukopenia, and leukemia. Leukocytosis are commonly seen in infections, allergy, common cold, tuberculosis, glandular fever, etc. Leukopenia are seen in anaphylactic shock, cirrhosis of liver, disorders of spleen, pernicious anemia, typhoid, paratyphoid, and viral infections. Leukemia is a condition in which abnormal and uncontrolled increase in WBC more than 10 lakh per cubic mm of blood is seen, which is commonly called as blood cancer. Pathological variations in different types of WBC. Neutrophilia is an increase in neutrophil count, which is commonly seen in acute infection and metabolic disorders. Neutropenia is a decrease in neutrophil count, which is commonly seen in bone marrow disorder, tuberculosis, typhoid, autoimmune diseases. Eosinophilia is the increase in eosinophil count, which is commonly seen in allergic conditions like asthma, blood parasitism, intestinal parasitism, scarlet fever. Eosinopenia is the decrease in eosinophil count, is seen in Cushing syndrome, bacterial infection, stress, prolonged administration of drugs like steroids. Basophilia is the increase in basophil count, which is seen in smallpox, chickenpox, polycythemia vera. Basopenia, which is decrease in basophil count, which is seen in urticaria, stress, prolonged exposure to chemotherapy or radiation therapy. Monocytosis, increase in monocyte count seen in tuberculosis, syphilis, malaria, and cholera. Monocytopenia, decrease in monocyte count, which is seen in prolonged use of prednisone. Lymphocytosis, increase in lymphocyte count seen in diphtheria, infectious hepatitis, mumps, malnutrition, rickets, syphilis, thyrotoxicosis, and tuberculosis. Lymphocytopenia which is the decrease in lymphocyte count commonly seen in AIDS, Hodgkin disease, malnutrition, radiation therapy, and steroid administration. Lifespan of WBC for neutrophil is 2 to 5 days, for eosinophil 7 to 12 days, for basophils 12 to 15 days, for monocytes 2 to 5 days, and for lymphocytes half a day to 1 day. Properties of WBC. Diabetes is a process by which WBC skills through the narrow blood vessels. Amoeboid movement. Neutrophils, monocytes, lymphocytes show this amoeboid movement by production of the cytoplasm and change in the shape. Chemotaxis. Attraction of WBCs towards injured tissues by chemical substances released at the site of injury. Phagocytosis. Engulfing of foreign particles by neutrophils and monocytes. Functions of WBC. Neutrophils released in large numbers in blood move by diabetes towards the site of infection by chemotaxis due to chemoattractants released from the infected area, which make neutrophils more adhesive and become sticky to the infected area. Each neutrophil hold about 15 to 20 microorganisms called a process called phagocytosis. First, whitish yellow fluid formed in infected tissue. WBCs are killed by toxins released from bacteria. Dead cells together with the plasma leaked from blood vessel, liquefied tissue cells, and RBCs from damaged vessel constitute pus. Eosinophils provide defense mechanism by acting against parasitic conditions and allergic conditions like asthma, cytotoxic substances, eosinophil peroxidase, major basic protein, eosinophil cationic protein, eosinophil derived neurotoxin, interleukin 4 and 5, which destroy the invading organisms. Basophil play a role in healing processes and active hypersensitivity reactions. They act by releasing some substances, heparin, which prevent the intravascular blood clotting, histamine, bradykinin, and serotonin, which is acute hypersensitivity reaction. Proteases and myeloperoxidases in the exaggerate inflammatory response. Interleukin 4 accelerates inflammatory responses and kill invading organisms. Master cells, large tissue cell resembling basophil, found along the blood vessel, not in the skin, seen in skin, mucosa of the lungs, digestive tract, mouth, conjunctiva, and nose. Functions of mast cells produce hypersensitivity reaction like allergy and anaphylaxis. It acts by secreting substances like histamine, serotonin, heparin, hydrolytic enzymes, proteoglycans, chondroitin sulfate, arachidonic acid derivatives such as LDC and PGs. Monocytes, large cell among WBC, motile and phagocytic in nature, precursor of tissue macrophages. Mature monocyte enter tissue from blood and become tissue macrophages. Examples of monocytes are Kupffer cells in liver, alveolar macrophages in lungs, macrophages in spleen. They act by secreting substances such as interleukin 1, MCSF, and PAL. Lymphocytes responsible for the development of immunity by T and B lymphocytes. Leukopoiesis, development and maturation of WBCs is the leukopoiesis. Factors necessary for leukopoiesis are chemopoietic growth factors, interleukin 3, 6, 11, and stem cell factor, and colony stimulating factors, GCSF, GMCSF, and MCSF. This is a flow chart showing leukopoiesis, in which pluripotent stem cell is converted into lymphoid stem cell and a colony forming blastocyte. Colony forming blastocyte is again converted into colony forming unit E for RBC, colony forming unit M for platelets, colony forming unit GM, and which is converted into myeloblast. Myeloblast is converted into promyelocyte, and monoblast. Monoblast is converted into promonocyte, and promonocyte is converted into monocyte. Promyelocyte is converted into neutrophil myelocyte, basophil myelocyte, eosinophil myelocyte. Neutrophil myelocyte is converted into neutrophil metamyelocyte, which results in the formation of neutrophil. Basophil myelocytes is converted into basophil metamyelocyte, which is converted into basophil. Eosinophil myelocyte is converted into eosinophil metamyelocyte, is converted into eosinophil. Lymphoid stem cell is converted into lymphoblast, which is converted into lymphocyte. Platelets. Thrombocytes are formed elements of the blood. They are small, colorless, non-nucleated, considered to be the fragments of cytoplasm. Size of the platelet in diameter is of 2 to 4 microns and is of volume 7 to 8 microns. Shape of the platelets spherical or odd shaped and become oval or disc shaped when inactivated. Sometimes comma or cigar shape also exists. Structure and composition of the platelets is constituted by the cell membrane, microtubules, and cytoplasm. Cell membrane is of 6 nanometer thick and contains lipids, phospholipids, cholesterol, and glycolipids, carbohydrates, glycocalyx and glycoproteins, and proteins. Microtubules, a ring around the cytoplasm below cell membrane, made up of proteins called tubulin, provide structural support for inactivated platelets to maintain disc-like shape. Cytoplasm contains organelles such as Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, microtubule, microvessels, filaments, and different types of granules. It contains chemical substances such as proteins, actin, myosin, thrombostinin, von-Willebrand factor, fibrin stabilizing factor, platelet growth factor, platelet activating factor, vitronectin, thrombospondin, etc. In enzymes, ATPase for synthesis of prostaglandins, hormones, adrenaline, 5-HT and histamine, chemical substances, glycogen, inorganic substances, granules, alpha and beta granules. Normal count of platelet is 2 to 4 lakhs per cubic mm of blood. Variations in physiological conditions, age less in age. Platelet count is less in infants and reaches normal level at 3rd month after birth. Sex in females reduced during menstruation. High altitude platelet count increases. After meals also its count increases. Pathological variation, thrombocytopenia are seen in acute infections, acute leukemia, aplastic anemia, chickenpox, smallpox, splenomegaly, scarlet fever, typhoid, tuberculosis, and purpura. Thrombocytosis also can be seen in allergic conditions, hemorrhage, bone fracture, splenectomy, rheumatic fever, and trauma. Thrombocythemia can be seen in persistent and abnormal increase in the count, carcinoma, chronic leukemia, and Hodgkin disease. Gladstone thrombocythemia is a condition which is inherited hemorrhagic disorder caused by structural or functional abnormality of the platelets. It leads to thrombocytopenic purpura. Properties of platelets are adhesiveness, sticking to the rough surface, and aggregation, which is grouping of platelets, and agglutination, clumping together of platelets. Functions of platelets: main role in blood clotting, role in clot retraction, role in prevention of blood loss, which is hemostasis, role in repair of ruptured blood vessels, and role in defense mechanism. Lifespan of platelets is about 10 days. Older platelets are destroyed by tissue macrophage system in the spleen. Development of platelets is formed from bone marrow. It is influenced by thrombopoietin, which is glycoprotein secreted by liver and kidneys. Pluripotent stem cell is converted into corniform unit M, and which is converted into megakaryocytes. From megakaryocyte, it is converted into cytoplasm of megakaryocyte, forms pseudopodium, and a portion of pseudopodium detached, form platelets, and enter into the circulation. Thank you.